Welcome to Civil Engineering Knowledge channel. See, these are very few mix design ratio. Okay, so that is M 7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, and these are their mix grades. That is for M 7.5, for M10, M15, M20, M25, M30. I'll tell you a simple way to remember this mixed design ratio, because when you go for any interview, this is very helpful. And before that, I'll tell you what is this M stands for and what is this grade stands for. So M is, it is mix, and this 7.5 number, this stands for the characteristic strength of any particular concrete, that is 28. That is, so after 28 days of testing, the particular concrete mix strength should be 7.5 Newton per mm square. Okay, you understood, right? What now you will get a clear picture that what is M and what is this 7.5. M stand for mix, and this 7.5 is a characteristic strength of a particular concrete cube which is being casted, and its strength after 28 days it should be 7.5 Newton per mm square. In the similar way, this M stand for mix, and this 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, it stands for its characteristic strength of particular concrete. Okay, so I will tell you a short very easy method to remember this. So we will consider this M20 as reference. Okay, so this as reference we will take. That is for M20, sorry, not M20, we will take M25 as reference. So this one portion you need to remember, that is M25 mixed design ratio is 1:1:2. So for M20, this only the second term you should increase by 0.5. Then it is 1.5, right? So whatever the 1.5 is there, no, it's double you write here, that is 3. So here again 0.5 you increase. That means for 1 you need to do the addition of 0.5, that is 1.5. So its double is 3. Here again 0.5. You will get 2, its double is 4. So after this, you should multiply it with, you should add it with 1, 1. That is 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So whatever the second part is there, its double is the next portion. That is, for example, see now for M20, the mixed ratio is 1:1.5:3. So this is multiplied by 5. That is, here I will write you 1 plus 0.5, you will get 1.5. In the similar way, 1.5 plus 0.5, you will get 2. 2 plus 1 plus 1, you will get 3 and 4. So this is very shortcut way for freshers to remember the mixed design ratio. If any interviewer asks you for what is the mix ratio of particular, say it as M20, in randomly if they ask, you can remember this, you can just memorize it, and you can say at last it is M30. See, after M30 it is design concrete. That means you need to design the particular type of the concrete, then you should write the mix ratio. Till here it is being given in code book. Okay, these are the specified design ratio. It has been already tested and it has been given as a reference. Okay, and this for M30, see, you can, since our reference is M25, that is 1:1:2, you can write M30 as, here you have added 0.5, here you need to deduct the 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5, you will get it as 0.5, its double is 1. So see guys, this is very simple tricks to remember all these basic mix ratios. And if you subscribe and like my channel, almost all the tricks I will tell in this how to remember this in your exam, as well as it is very helpful for your exam point of view, as well as it is very much helpful for your interview purpose also. If you are not subscribing my channel, you are not going to get any kind of tricks which is helpful for you. So the more and more videos if you people want me to upload, you need to just like my video, subscribe my channel, and you need to share it with your friends, those who you like they should improve in their civil engineering basics. Thank you.